Hi guys, welcome to Richard Kabil YouTube channel, and today's video, I will teach you how to turn on or off clear motion on Smart TV. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is press the menu on your remote and go to settings. Here in settings, go to picture, and picture, go to picture mode settings. And now you can adjust the display settings for each picture mode. Okay, go to picture mode settings. And in this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn on or off the clear motion. Okay, you can scroll down to show the clear motion option. And the clear motion option is turned off. To turn on the clear motion, okay, you'll have to do is click the clear motion, and you can see the check on the square on the right side of this clear motion. And the clear motion is now successfully turned on. And if this turn on, making past motion look clearer. And that's it, we have successfully turned on. And to turn off again, you'll have to do is click again the clear motion to turn off. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully turned on or off clear motion on Smart TV. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.